Well, good morning. Well, it may not be morning your time, but it's 2:35 a.m. here. And if you know me, you know I work late. I sleep late and work late. So that's the beauty about working for yourself, having your own business and everything. But the reason why I'm shooting this video today, guys, is because I've received quite a few emails stating that people didn't have money to pay to get into the business that I'm in. A lot of people say, well, Felicia, I just don't have the money, but I would love to join you because I'd like to make the money that you're making and the money that your other business partners are making. And so, I was just thinking long and hard, what is it? What can I do to help these people? What can I do to help these people? And, well, by the way, my name is Felicia Tucker. And, so initially I couldn't think of anything, and I don't know why I couldn't think of this one thing that helped me out in the beginning, which really truly led me to the business or the company that I'm about to tell you all about. For a few years prior to getting into Empower Network, I was doing customer service, working from home, typing my fingers off until I felt like I was getting what is it, carpal tunnel? My hands were hurting so badly. I'm not lying to you guys. It was hurting so badly. I was like, oh my God, I have to do something. I cannot continue to sit here and just type every day, all day. And I wanted the money. I needed the money because I had to pay bills. And for those of you that know a little bit more about my story, my brother recently came home, but initially I was having to take care of him and take care of his home and everything, and it wasn't easy. It was not easy. So I had to work the long hours, which I'm sure most of you all can relate to. I had to do that because, there was no other way, or at least I didn't know another way. And eventually I stumbled across this business opportunity because I was online looking for my significant other a motorcycle. My mom told me, Felicia, go to this. It was a news article or a website. And I went to the website, and the first thing I see is this business. And the ad, if I recall correctly, it said, get paid $90 to $180 per day. And I thought, wow, okay, I really could use that. And it said do it all from home and all of that good stuff. So when I first saw that, I was like, oh my God, another scam. But what if it's not a scam? What if it could really help me? What if this business could really benefit me and could put some extra money in my pocket while I still work my 9-to-5 job? What if this business could really help me? So what I did was I had a pen and paper, and I took a few notes or had a few questions that I was going to ask the lady. She didn't have a website or anything. She just had a phone number there. So I thought, let me call this lady. And I called her, and I had about 3 questions written down. I said, first of all, is this a scam? She said no. I said, does it cost money to join? She said no. And I thought, wow, okay, this sounds too good to be true. And I was like, have you ever made money from it? She said, yes. I said, you really, really made money from it? She said, yes. So I thought, okay, this woman could be telling a lie. But the good thing, that helped my skepticism was that the lady lived about 20 miles from me. And so I thought, okay, well, she lives so close to me, and I have her home telephone number, so if she's scamming me out of my money, I'm going to call the police on her. So I know this lady has more sense than that. So long story short, I went through with it, guys, and this business really, really blessed me. And that's why I don't know how I could ever forget about it. But you know how sometimes, when a bigger blessing comes about, sometimes you can forget, not on purpose, but, you just somehow forget, because something else is working so good for you. And so that's kind of how it is with this other business. I just pretty much forgot about it, stopped doing it, and just started promoting my Empower Network business because the Empower Network business was bringing me much, much more money. But and I could make more money in a single day than I was making with this. But this business is what led me to Empower Network. This business is what helped me to make more money to invest or to put into Empower Network. So I'm just truly grateful for this, and I thought, well, it will only be fair for me to share it with my peers, or to share it with the people on my list, and to share it with the people that I care about. You know, and so this company, guys, is called Z&Z, aka Zip Not a Zilch. This business was depositing $100 a day in my account, $150, $20. You know, just it wasn't a whole lot of money, but it was money that really did help me. And I just want to show you all just a little bit of proof, you know, and let you all know that this is something that you could get into. It's free. It is absolutely free to get started. All right, so let me just show you, and you will also have your own website. So hopefully you all can see this. Let me see if I can see what you guys are seeing. Okay. All right, so basically, as you can see, you may be able to see it says Zip Not a Zilch. These are a lot of payments that I got from Zip Not a Zilch. Let me just scroll down a little bit more. So as you can see, and this is not all, guys. And so as you can see, it's mostly Zip Not a Zilch here. And this is how much I was getting paid from them. So this $75 payment you see here is from Zip Not a Zilch. Moving too fast. This $40 payment, this $40, this $25 payment here is also from Zip Not a Zilch. This $25 is $150. This is not. This $95 is. This $150 payment is. This $150, this $150, this $225, this $40. This $95, this $20, $75. Okay, so all of the rest of that is from Zip Not a Zilch, again, as you can see right here. And this was from April, so I want you guys to see the date as well. You know, April and May. Because like I said, after I started Empower Network, I pretty much quit working with Z&Z. Not because it was a bad company or not that anything happened, but I found Empower Network, and I just felt like I do that because it was making the money. You know, I was able to make the money that I really wanted to make. So I'm not introducing you guys to Z&Z because this is something that you should do long term. No, this is something that you can get into free of cost and build up some money so that you can buy into Empower Network. Now, you can get in, like I said, for free. And you can choose to make either $20 or you can make a total of $98. All right, so I'm going to put the link in this email here. I'm also put it below this video, so just in case you see it on YouTube. But this is the link that you can click on. All you have to do is put your name, phone number, and email address there. My phone number will be on the next page, so feel free to give me a call. Ask me any questions that you might have. Guys, look up the proof. Hey, I don't blame you. Like, before I joined Empower Network, it took me a month to join Empower Network. I kid you not. And I watched the video like 8 times. So I can definitely understand the skepticism. I am the biggest skeptic of them all, trust me. But I know a great opportunity when I see one. So guys, if you are that person and you know that you've been struggling and you know that you could really, $20 could really help you, or $98 could really help you, you know, per day. Guys, I highly encourage you. I highly recommend that you click on the link below this video, or that you click on the link inside of this email so that it can change your life. So I want you to go ahead and stop what you're doing and take a look at this video. Like I said, put your name, phone number, and email address in there, and take a look at the video. Make sure you understand what is going on. Understand what it is that you need to do, because again, it's free of charge. And once you're done with that, give me a call. Call me. All right, my phone number will be on that website, 770-927-3205. But do not call me before you watch the video. I'm serious. Because if you haven't watched the video, I will not talk to you. I'll just refer you back to the video, because it doesn't make sense for me to explain everything that was taught in the video. So go ahead and watch that video, guys. I'm excited to bring this opportunity to you. I'm excited that this thought came into my head. You guys could really use this money for Christmas. You know, Christmas is coming up, so it will really, really be a blessing to you and your family. All right, so thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And again, call me if you have any questions or email me, and I will talk to you then. Have a great one. Bye-bye.